Hi, I'm Keith Guinn. I'm the Director of Customer Advocacy and Quality for NICE Systems, and I'm here with Tim Nielsen from Metro Nashville, and really honored to be here at NENA as part of this convention and conference with our customers. I want to talk a little bit about one of the things that we're very excited about at NICE, and that is the formulation of our first public safety user group, and really the only one of its kind in the logging business that we affectionately call PUBNUG, which Tim helped design and name. That stands for Public Safety NICE User Group. We've been in place for a year now. We actually launched at NENA 2016, and very proud to say that we now are over 425 users, customers that are members of PUBNUG. And we're very excited about what we're doing now with it, but more excited about the potential and future of PUBNUG. The public safety community has always been a very close-knit community. I think it's very unique in that each municipality tends to be autonomous in their funding and in their operation, yet always more than happy to share with each other and pull together when needed, whether it be interoperability or any number of scenarios out there in the public safety world. And so to have a forum where they can share best practices with each other and work together to learn from each other is a very exciting thing, not only for NICE, but also for, I think, our public safety customers. So very excited about that. Tim was paramount in the formation of PUBNUG, and has been just an absolute wonderful champion and advocate of the user group. So Tim, we thank you for everything you're doing so far and what we know you're going to do as the chairman of PUBNUG.
Thanks, Keith. And it's really great to see the amount of growth that we've seen already from just when we really started to get the wheels rolling on this thing to where we're at right now. I sit on the board of directors for the NICE user group. I represent Public Safety's PUBNUG group. NUG in itself is a very robust, very active user group, and I like the tools and things that they are kind of given to me to help us out to make this work. As Keith said, coming from a public safety world, I've been with the Metro Nashville Department of Emergency Communications for 22 years now. And 911 is such a sharing opportunity, as you would see at the conferences like NENA and APCO, all of the networking that goes on, all of the classes that are going on. There's so much information that everybody's wanting to see what everybody else is doing to see if there's a better way of doing it, if there's another idea of how to do it. And I think we could use all of those ideas and bring it to PUBNUG and make it easy for us to share those ideas amongst us. That was always been my vision all along from years before this even got rolling, is what if we had a place that I had an idea and I wanted to go online and said, hey, has anybody else seen this? Has anybody else done anything like this? Has anybody else come across this problem? And now we have that tool.
One of the things too is this: the value of PUBNUG to NICE as an organization is going to be huge and is already, because in addition to you sharing with other municipalities, what a wonderful opportunity we have to get feedback and input from the users from a customer perspective regarding feature sets and things that you'd like to see in future capabilities of our upcoming releases, software releases, and things like that. So we're going to do, without question, a better job for public safety because of PUBNUG, because we're going to be getting so much closer and intimate in feedback than what we've ever had in the past. So we sure appreciate that, and we're really looking forward to that growth opportunity for us.
And I think that we've always gotten good products out of NICE. We've got products that work for us. Great products that have been very easy to use, but there's always been those things that you go, what if we had this? What if we can get that? And I've never really felt like we've had that opportunity till now. Now as a community, we can come together and say, hey, what features are you looking for? What is going to work for you? What's going to make your job better? And these are great opportunities for us to reach back to NICE and say, can you do this for us? Can you add this for us? So instead of having just one voice of me and the city of Nashville saying, I want this, now we've got a whole community that can come together and say, hey, this is what we would like to have. This will work for us. Can you do this for us?
That's great. Well, we're so appreciative of everything you've done to help us get this started, and we just couldn't be more excited about the future of PubNug. So thank you.
Thank you, Keith. Thanks for your work. Thanks for your help.